Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App isn't available in your region. So guys, let's start without wasting your precious time. Let me tell you that if you try to install the Cash App and it's getting that Cash App isn't available in your region, then you have to change your region to UK and US, and after that guys, you can easily install the Cash App from your App Store, Play Store. Okay guys, so let me tell you that how can you do that. Just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the settings app, and now scroll it down, tap on general. From here guys, scroll it down all the way, and now from here guys, go to language or region, select the region, and after that guys, go back. Now go to VPN device management and just simply have to download the VPN, which name is Hotspot Shield. So let me show you here guys, this type of VPN it is. So just simply have to select the location which you have changed region, same one. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to App Store, and then you can easily install or download the Cash App. And if you have already downloaded the Cash App and it's not working and you're getting the error like this while opening the Cash App guys, then it means you have not selected your location as US and UK. You can see here guys, we are currently only available in the US and UK. Okay, just simply have to connect with the VPN or select your country or region, UK or United States, or you have to connect with the VPN and select the location in VPN as United States or UK, and then you can easily use the Cash App without any error. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.